How to schedule Uber driver in advance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Enter Pickup Location at the top. Here, simply type in the location you're in. Then, where to, select the location. After you've done that, you'll find the calendar-like icon at the bottom right. Click on it. This kind of screen pop up, select date and time and press on next at the bottom and then simply request. You'll find your ride in the pickup time you have chosen. This is how to schedule Uber driver in advance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.